In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your job title in HoneyBook, Account Info 2026. We'll walk through a quick update that makes a big difference in how your profile appears to clients. Your job title shows up in places like emails, proposals, and your client portal, so keeping it accurate and professional is worth the minute it takes. Start by opening your browser and going to honeybook.com. This works on any modern browser, and you can do it on desktop or a laptop for the clearest view. Once the site loads, sign into your account. Enter your credentials, and if you're asked for any security verification, complete that as prompted. This could be a code sent to your device or an authentication app. Just follow the on-screen steps and you'll be in. After logging in, you'll land on your HoneyBook dashboard. This is your home base, where you can see your projects, recent activity, and quick actions. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a vertical sidebar. That's your main navigation in HoneyBook, and you'll use it to move between areas like projects, templates, and, for today, settings. Look down that left sidebar and find the settings option. It may appear as a gear icon with the label settings. Go ahead and click it to open your account and workspace settings. Inside settings, make sure you're viewing the My Account section. This area controls your personal profile details. Click into Account Info to see editable fields related to your profile, such as your name, contact details, and the job title we're here to update. Now, locate the job title field. You'll see your current title displayed. Click directly on that text to activate the field, then type your new title exactly how you want it to appear. Keep it clear and professional. Capitalize properly and avoid emojis or unnecessary punctuation, so it looks great on client-facing materials. When you're done, click anywhere outside the field or press enter to save. HoneyBook typically saves changes automatically, and you may notice a brief visual confirmation or the field closing to indicate it's set. If you don't immediately see the update reflected elsewhere, give the page a quick refresh. Also, if you're part of a team, remember this change applies to your personal profile in the account and won't overwrite other team members' titles. And that's it. You've updated your job title in HoneyBook through Account Info. Keeping this detail accurate helps ensure your brand and role are consistent across everything your clients see. If you ever want to revise it again, just repeat these steps: settings, My Account, Account Info, edit, and save. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next walkthrough.